Hello guys, hello people from all over the planet. Welcome to my Booster Motivation. My name is George K.E.G. It's another free life coaching training session, so anytime you get a chance to stop by, you will always find me talking about money, how to become successful. We provide knowledge, insights, information that you need to know to take your life to the next level. And this is a very short video. I will be talking about your inner power. Use your inner power to unleash your full potential. Or you can use your inner power and by practicing mindfulness. Be aware that you have an inner power. Be aware that you have something in you that is valuable. You can transform this energy source into motivation, into burning desire to acquire something that will take your life to the next level. If you have to wake up to go to the gym, wake up to go to the gym. If you have to read a book, read a book. If you have to make some research about a product or a service that you want to create, do it. If you need to quit your job to go for an entrepreneurial lifestyle, do it. It can be hard, it can be difficult, but you will never reach what you're looking for if you do not take some drastic decision to follow your dream, follow your passion. Don't waste your time. Do it. Because 10 years from now, 15 years from now, you won't regret. My name is George K.E.G. I will see you in the live session. For the time being, I left you with this message.